What is Dermajeun? Dermajeun is an anti-aging skin cream that is sold only online through the official site. The site is sensibly educational, illustrating what the item does as far as restoring the skin, however by and large doesn't give total subtleties. Dermajeun targets indications of maturing which can incorporate almost negligible differences and wrinkles around the eyes and mouth, dark circles and puffiness under the eyes, and zones of staining because of hyperpigmentation. The site demonstrates various photographs, in addition to an increasingly definite chart of how the recipe enters the skin. There is notice of information from shopper thinks about performed on the equation which demonstrated an 84% decline in lines and wrinkles and a 95% expansion in collagen, a segment in all youthful, solid skin. Dermajeun product details. Dermajeun is said to revive the skin, leaving the client looking more youthful and progressively invigorated. The site flaunts that the item is a superior option in contrast to obtrusive corrective strategies, for example, fillers and other understood infused substances. Rather, the equation utilizes various normal fixings that should all be sheltered to utilize and not bring about any destructive reactions. Notwithstanding working quick in dispensing with lines and wrinkles, it might likewise have long-haul consequences for the skin, shielding it from further harm which can be caused from maturing as well as ecological components. Shoppers can attempt Dermajeun complimentary for 14 days, however this enrolls them into an auto-shipping program. Except if the item is dropped on time, they will keep on getting it on a month-to-month premise at an expense of $89.95. Dermajeun ingredients. Are they safe and effective? Nutrients, cell reinforcements, invulnerable supporters. The genuine fixings utilized in the Dermajeun recipe are not recorded on the item site, separated from wheat protein, nutrients, cancer prevention agents and invulnerable supporters which are conveyed to the skin's layers by means of exclusive bisophore and kusum innovation, making the atom heavier, consequently ready to enter further into the skin, focusing on harm quicker and all the more successfully. As indicated by the maker, this can result in the client looking 10 years more youthful in as meager as about a month of utilization. The equation likewise cases to help the generation of collagen in the skin, plumping and firming the surface, while smoothing out scarce differences and wrinkles. Hanging is decreased, and the client looks revived with the decrease of dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. What are the advantages of Dermajeun? May advance collagen generation, might expand skin versatility, could diminish the presence of wrinkles, and almost negligible differences might diminish dark circles and under-eye puffiness. What are the disadvantages of Dermajeun? The official site is constrained. There are no client tributes. Dermajeun review.